Today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone sound on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. You just easily set up your own sound as ringtone. Simply open your settings, scroll down, showing it to sound and vibration. As you can see, showing it to ringtone. Okay, showing it to Galaxy ringtone and claim, and showing it to more ringtone. Okay, but if you want to add your any sound, tone, music, recording set as your ringtone, press on to plus option. Go to album or folder, go to my folder, showing it to ringtone. Okay, just select, press on done. Okay, and select this, go back. As you can see, now successfully set as custom ringtone.